Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, I'm Putri Ofatul Faiz. I'm student from STFPB Cirebon. I would like to inform you about latest COVID-19 data in the Cirebon city area.
COVID-19 has now become one of the deadliest viruses worldwide. Many people have been exposed to this virus and not a few people have died from this virus. The Cirebon city area itself has now been exposed to the COVID-19 virus. The city of Cirebon is a dense city population, so it is easy for the COVID-19 virus to spread in this city. Therefore, as humans who know our health and don't want to be exposed to the virus, we must always maintain cleanliness, such as diligently washing our hands, wearing masks, keeping our distance, and consuming nutritious foods. Okay guys, here I will also explain about ODP, PDP, and positive COVID-19. ODP or people under monitoring means people who have a fever above 30 degrees Celsius or a history of fever, or there are respiratory system complaints such as a runny nose or sore throat or cough, and there are no other cases. PDP or patient under supervision means that here is a complaint of fever above 30 degrees Celsius or a history of fever, accompanied by one of the symptoms or signs of respiratory disease, namely cough or shortness of breath or sore throat or runny nose, mild to severe pneumonia, and no other cases based on a convincing clinical picture, and in the last 14 days period to the onset of symptoms, have a history of travel or residence in a country or region that reports local transmission. Here is a data on the number of COVID patients in the Cirebon city area, along with the understanding of the various zones. The number is that there are 12,814 ODP, 1,415 PDP, and those who have been exposed of positive 11,772. Okay. Now I will explain about the various COVID zones and the areas that have been exposed. Coronavirus infection. Green zone. Areas that have not been contaminated with cases or there are no migrants from infected areas. Areas that are included in the green zone: South Subdistrict, Urus Subdistrict, Karangsembung Subdistrict, and Pleret Subdistrict. Yellow zone. Areas where there are several cases of local transmission without any form of community transmission. Entry area. Entry area into the yellow zone: Pasaleman Subdistrict. Red zone. Regions with a large number of confirmed cases. In this zone, a lockdown policy has been implemented to avoid increasing cases and victims of infectious disease. Areas that are included in the red zone: Harjamukti District, Babakan District, and Plumbon District. Black zone. Some regions in Indonesia use coding with black zones. This means that in the areas there are already very many cases of infection and transmission of COVID-19. and there is a spike in the increase in cases per day, Cirebon City is not included in the black zone because some of these areas are included in areas with minimal risk.
Okay, so much information that I can convey. Keep spirit and stay healthy. Goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.